morning everyone. Today I am explaining you how to go for a YouTube live streaming using an OBS open broadcaster software. Open broadcaster software. Then if you don't know how to install open broadcaster software, click on Google, Chrome or Mozilla. You have to go for open obsproject.com and you can download accordingly as per your operating system. Macintosh, Linux and Windows platform, it will be supported. Once it has been installed, the software looks like this. I made a window capture of one of my browser to demonstrate for a YouTube live streaming. First, you need to go for a settings. Then you need to go for an click on output button. In the output button, make sure the video bitrate should be more than 3 Mbps or 4 Mbps. I have selected for 4 Mbps, and audio bitrate should always be more than 130. And if it is selected more than 130, for example, I have selected 120, more than 128. I have selected the 160, and you can give a path of your recording if it is needed. These things will be explained in my next videos. And this is a recording quality. If you want to go for the same as a stream, it's all well and good. Click OK, and then you need to copy the streaming URL which is there, which has been scheduled in your studio.youtube.com. Go to this, or else if you don't know how to go with these things, I am explaining you how to go and schedule this. You go click on YouTube, and go to this click on this create button and click on go live. Once you go to that studio.youtube.com, you will be navigated to this screen. And if you want to schedule the stream, I have already scheduled the stream, and I will explain how to schedule the stream in my separate video. First, you click on these things. Once the video is scheduled, you need to take the streaming key. Copy this. This is the most important part of the streaming. If you want to do something in YouTube live streaming, then you need to go to the settings, navigate your cursor to settings, and go to navigate your cursor to stream, and you select your YouTube RTMPS and paste your streaming key here. This is very important, and you click OK. Once it has been done, these things are the basic things needed to be taken care, and click on start streaming. Once this has been done, hope everybody can able to see this live, and the CPU utilization at 38 frames per second, and the kbps is 4 Mbps. And I'm going to show the video in my backend. This is an excellent connection. It is showing in my studio.youtube.com. While you're going to see the screen which has been captured in the OBS. Now, if you click on go live, this OBS screen will be OBS capturing screen will be live into the YouTube platform, and it can be shared according to your targeted audience. This is how we make the YouTube live streaming. Thanks for watching my channel, and keep subscribe to my channel for latest updates.